gonna censor that. But oh hey, I'm Kyra, and we are gonna play decor life since I don't know what to play. So yeah, we're just gonna clean. Bro, why there an ad on the bottom? Just change. Bro. Oh, this is nice. Wait a second. Whoa. Satisfying. there a baby? Why is there a baby t-shirt? Okay, let's go to another one. What's this? It's a living room, sure. Why is there so many food? Guys, I'm now used to saying in Filipino words, so excuse me if you don't understand.